ask a couple of halachic questions?
Yes, go ahead.
I was wondering if both beans and rice, they are both like grains. Why is the blessing for cooked rice Mezonos, and for cooked beans is Haadamah? I was wondering.
Okay, so that's a very good question. So let me just repeat the question and elaborate it a little. So we have 4 grains, right? That the main grains, it's oats, wheat, right, barley, spelt, and rye, right? All these 5 grains, and people all over the world make bread out of them, and bread is a staple food, right? The main food. So in olden days, like if you read the books, what people ate, right? What people ate, they ate bread. That's it. So not only in Israel, but in all the countries. Of course, rich people had vegetables, but vegetables, we must understand, vegetable was seasonal, right? In the winter or fall, people, I mean, maybe they have preserved for the vegetables, maybe yes, maybe no. So, but the bread was the main staple food, right? And all of these products from grain, from these 5 species, if it's not bread, right? We say Borei Mezonos, and the things that satiate. I think that's an approximate. I don't remember exactly how it translates, but the things that satiate the person. So we would say this blessing on cookies, on pasta, on many things, right? Cakes. And also on oatmeal, right? So if you want oatmeal, or if you like, you say Borei Mezonos, even if it's cooked, doesn't matter, right? But on the rice we also say Mezonos, but after the blessing is Borei Nefashos is a regular on like we ate beans or something, right? So, or drank some, like the different blessing, regular blessing. So the first blessing is irregular. It's like all of the 5 species, but end blessing is irregular. So the answer is, so our sages say that in I think if I remember correctly, they say 1/3 of the world. I think that was the number, maybe a mistake. So 1/3 of the world like you eat rice is the main dish. So they would not make bread, because as we know that the bread is to make is the hardest food to make ever. You understand? With rice, if you just cook it, like prepare, like not you dry it, I don't know, whatever they do, it's not a big deal. Tomatoes, vegetables, you clean it, you cut it, and it's ready. Chicken also, okay, you have to salt it, this and that, but it's not a lot of work. But to make bread, it's 10 steps. It takes very long time, a lot of work, right? And as we learn in Bereshis, HaShem said that people are going to, despite all of this work, so hard work, they're going to crave this food, bread. Understand? It's very interesting, right? And staple food, but in 1/3 of the world of the countries, they would not eat bread. They would eat rice for satiation, right? So I mean, instead of the bread. So that's why our sages, they acknowledge importance of rice, only rice. Beans, maybe yes, maybe they're not as satiated as let's say oatmeal, right? It's not, but rice for sure does. And that's why they say on rice we say Borei Mezonos. There are some people. I mean, we will never recommend like accept any stringency. Like if there is a halacha, like clearly, I mean, the most accepted way is to go leniently. But some people who wants to go stringently, so they actually go by opinion that so maybe we have to say Borei Haadamah, right? The fruit of the ground on the rice. So okay, in this case they do two blessings, not on the rice, but intend to eat the rice. For example, they would take a cracker, for sure Mezonos, say bless him, Borei Mezonos, and take some other food, the fruit of the ground, whatever is it, maybe some beans, maybe a tomato, cucumber, whatever little piece. Say on it, blessing. Of course, when you say the first blessing and second blessing on this cracker, on this a piece of cucumber, you mean that you want also your rice to be covered. And that's it, and your rice is covered according to absolutely all opinions. Do you have to go to jump to all of the hoops? Absolutely not. So I mean, if it's easy for you to do it. But otherwise, I would say don't do it. Just say Borei Mezonos, and majority of the poskim, that's what they say. Not everybody, but you can rely on majority. But after the fact, if person did not know or he knew or forgot, and say Borei Haadamah on this food, okay, after the fact, it is covered. Because it is true, this rice is fruit of the ground. No problem whatsoever. So rice is an exception. So don't derive any loss from rice. It's exception. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.